conflicts on crossroads or junctions or intersections. Okay, so number of conflicts we will count for different number of lanes of roads. Okay, first we will see two-lane road. Both are two-lane roads and two-way traffics. Okay, conflict means the location of possibility of accident. Okay, suppose conflict point. Location of possibility of an accident. Okay, due to collision. Okay, first we'll see at intersection both lanes are both roads are two lane and both are two-way traffic. Both are having two-way traffic. Okay. Suppose this is the intersection. Two-way traffic means here traffic is like this. So vehicles move in this way, in this lane like this, and in this lane like this, in this lane like this, and in this lane like this. So both roads are two-lane roads, and traffic is two-way traffic in both roads. So every traffic movement needs to go straight, left, and right. So we'll draw that straight, left, and right. We'll start with the left leg. Suppose first straight traffic I will draw. This is the straight going traffic. Like this, like this, like this, and like this. So crossing conflicts are forming here. Crossing conflicts. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are crossing conflicts. Crossing means 90 degrees. 90 degrees conflict. Okay. Then we will see left going. Left going traffic. Like this. Like this. Like this and like this. These are left going traffics. So merging also a conflict. So here one merging, here one merging, here one merging, and here one merging. See, these are merging conflicts. So now we have 4 crossing conflicts and 4 merging conflicts. So straight going and left going finished. Okay, then right going vehicles from all legs. Right going. See, right going goes like this, like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Now you can count this one. See here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See the triangle shaped things are forming, right? So those are 4 into 3 locations. Okay. So now these are 4 in number. I mean, like these conflicts. Okay. So merging are these are 4 in number. Merging are 4 in number. Merging from left. Merging from left. Merging from right also are there. See, merging from right. 1, 2. See here. This one. And this one. So merging from right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So merging from right are there. That is like this. Those are 4 numbers. Then this kind of things actually 4 into 3, 12 numbers are there. Okay. 12 numbers. So total conflicts are 24. You can count. Clear? Srinivas, clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So crossing conflicts are there. Crossing conflicts and 60 degrees conflicts are there. You see, crossing conflict is 90 degrees conflict. These are 60 degrees conflict. Actually, this is 90 degrees conflict. Okay. And remaining things are merging from left and merging from right. See, merging from left. This is merging from right. Okay. So total together 24 conflicts are there for two-lane, two-way traffic roads. Okay. Both roads are two-lane, two-way traffic. Okay. So next we will see by making that road as a one lane. I mean one way traffic. Suppose if you can convert that traffic from two way to one way, what will be the advantage you will see. So now both roads are two way. Suppose if you want to reduce the conflicts, you can make it one way traffic. Okay. So by converting that into one way traffic, what kind of advantage we'll get in, we'll see. Suppose now both lanes are two lane, both roads are two lane. Next case, both roads are two lane. Okay. One road is one way. One road is one way. Okay. Another road is two way. Now we'll see. So traffic is like this. Suppose this road is one way. One way means like this. Okay, only one way from left to right. No traffic from right to left. And this lane is, I mean, this road is two way. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, one road is one way. Second road is two way. Okay, both roads are two lane roads. Okay, now we will count number of conflicts. First, we will see straight going traffic. So this is the straight going traffic like this. Like this, like this, like this, and like this. This is straight going traffic, and conflicts are this one. Okay. Next, left going. Left going traffic. Here. Here. Okay. So obviously, conflicts are this one, merging conflicts, two merging conflicts. Okay. So only these two are left going conflicts, right? Then right going. Right going conflicts. From here, if you start this one and this one. Okay, right going. Anything else is there? Nothing, I think. Okay. So now if you see, these are one merging, these are 1 2 merging, and a triangle shaped forming here. This one, I mean, no, not triangle, this one. 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Now you count it. These are crossing conflicts, that is 4 in number. Then left merging from left conflicts are 2 in number. Okay. Then merging from right conflicts are 2 in number. Finally, this colored conflicts are 3 in number. So totally, how many are there?
11.
11 numbers. See, by making one road one way, we can reduce the conflicts from 24 to 11. So 13 conflicts reduced just by making one road as one way. Okay. One road we converted that A, suppose this is road A, this is road B. Road A converted to one-way traffic, okay? Completely one way. So because of this, we can reduce the conflicts, number of conflicts, so that finally you can reduce the accidents. Okay. Next we will see if both roads are one way, 2-lane one way, what happens? Both roads are 2-lane one way. That means, see here, traffic is like this. Crossing. That means one way, both roads are one way like this. So conflicts are here, straight going traffic 1, 2, 3, 4. Then left going traffic is like this. Here one conflict and another one left going. Any another left going is there? So no more left going. Then right going traffic. This is right going traffic. So now you can count. Number of conflicts are only 6 numbers. Okay. Easily you can count. This is 4 numbers. This is 1 number. This is another 1 number. Totally only 6 numbers. Okay. This is crossing conflict. This is merging from left. Then another one is merging from right. Okay. Like this. Totally 6 numbers are there. So if you can convert both roads as one-way traffic, then you can reduce the conflicts from 24 to 6. Okay. It becomes 1/4. Okay. 24 to 6 means it becomes 1/4. Clear? Mallikarjun?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose one road is 2-lane road and another road is 4-lane road. What happens? We'll see. One road is 2-lane and another road is 4-lane. Okay. Road A, road B. Suppose this is 2-lane. 2-lane, 2-way. Road B is 4-lane. 2-way traffic. Okay. Find the number of conflicts. This is the question. Okay. Try yourself. Try yourself and tell me the answer. See, for in 4-lane road B, 2 lanes for in one way, I mean in towards north, and 2 lanes are towards south. Okay. So these are the traffic. So parallel you also try. So this kind of crossing conflicts are 8 numbers are there. Okay. So what is left going traffic? Left going, it is like this, conflict here. Left going, conflict here. Left going, conflict here, and left going, conflict here. So now you can see this crossing conflict. Actually, this crossing conflicts are 8 in number. Then merging from left. These are 4 numbers. Okay. Next, right going traffic. So be careful while drawing this right going traffic. So where to where you need to join, it's very important. Okay. That is, see, always you should try to join to the nearest lane. Okay, nearest lane. That means you can observe here how I am drawing here. See, the nearest lane. So you cannot join to the right side. I mean, right side lane. One more lane is there, no, south going. You should not join to that. Always you should join to the nearest lane. Similarly, always you should join from the nearest lane also. Suppose if you take this from south going traffic, how to go east going? South to east. So these are the directions: east, south, north, west. From south to east, if you want to go, always you should take from nearest lane. Okay. Like this. And one more care we should be taken. That is, at intersection, only 2 should be there. 3 or 4, something like that, should not be intersected at a single point. At a single point, only 2 traffics can be intersected. Okay, like that you should join. Okay, always take from nearest lane. Similarly, from north to west.
Sir, voice break out.
Voice break అవుతుందా? అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇది ఇంటర్నెట్ అన్స్టేబుల్ అని వస్తుంది, దానివల్ల మీకు వాయిస్ అప్పుడప్పుడు బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా శ్రీనివాస్? శ్రీనివాస్ ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now join north to west. Similarly, north to west also, always you should take nearest lane. Okay, nearest means this lane. Okay, like this, nearest lane. Then what else? Right going. One more thing must be there. What is that? East to north. Huh? East to north. Okay. Like this. Okay. If these are 1, 2, 3, 4, that means merging from right. Merging from right conflicts are 4 in number. 4 in number. Okay. Then these type of conflicts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 numbers are there. These are 16 numbers. So total 16 plus 16, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 and 16, 32. So 32 conflicts are there. అంతే వచ్చిందా అందరికి? వేరే నెంబర్ వచ్చిందా? మల్లికార్జున ఎంత వచ్చింది నీకు?
అంతే సార్ 16 వచ్చింది.
సేమ్ 32 వచ్చింది కదా టోటల్. కీర్తి వచ్చిందమ్మా 32? కిరణ్
సార్ నాకు 14 వస్తుంది.
14 వచ్చిందా? జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు జాయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ మీట్ అవ్వకూడదు ఒక చోట. ఎక్కడో మీట్ అయింటే చూడు. 2 ట్రాఫిక్స్ కంటే ఎక్కువ మీట్ అవ్వకూడదు అనమాట.
ఎలా సార్? ఎలా
ఇలా 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 మీట్ చేసేయకూడదు అనమాట. ఇలా మీట్ చేసేయకూడదు. ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇలా వస్తుంది కదా, 3 వస్తాయి కదా, 3ని జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఒకటి అయిపోతుంది కదా, అలా చేయకూడదు అనమాట. 2 మీట్ అవ్వాలి. ఆ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ దగ్గర 2 ట్రాఫిక్స్ మీట్ అవ్వచ్చు అనమాట. ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి లైక్ దిస్. క్లియరా? అండ్ ఇలా 2 రోడ్లు ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, ఇలా నియరెస్ట్ దానికి తీసుకెళ్ళాలన్నమాట. ఇలా తీసుకెళ్ళాలి కానీ ఇలా తీసుకెళ్ళకూడదు అనమాట. ఓకే, అది మల్లికార్జున క్లియర్ అయిందా? 16 వచ్చాయా నీకు? అవి
వచ్చాయి సార్ 16.
కీర్తి వచ్చాయమ్మా? ఓకే అమ్మా. శిరీష
వచ్చాయి సార్, 16 వచ్చాయి.
ఓకే ఓకే, 16 టోటల్ 32 కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ రోడ్ ఏ, రోడ్ బి. రోడ్ ఏ 2 lanes. 2 lanes. Road B 4 lanes. Okay. Road A is one way. Road B is 2 way. Okay. Now find the number of conflicts. Two lanes, one way, road A. So two lanes, one way, like this. Road B is two way, four lanes, two way. Two way traffic, okay? Two lanes for north going and two lanes for south going. Two way traffic. Now, crossing conflicts are 8 numbers, okay? These are 8 numbers, okay? Then, left going we'll see. This is one conflict. Left going. Then this is another conflict. Left going. Is there any left going traffics? Okay. That means merging from left are only 2 numbers. These are 2 numbers. Okay. Then we will see right going. Right going. To the nearest lane always. From nearest to nearest, okay? So always you should take from nearest to nearest. That is like this. So from west, always you should take this downward one, down one. Okay, you should not take up one from up one arrow. Okay, and this one also towards south means nearest is left side one. Okay, not right side one. Like this, right going. Similarly, from south to east, it is like this. Okay, south to east. Okay. Then anything else? South to east, west to south. So I think that's all. Okay. Now we'll count. So that is right matching. 2 numbers are there. Right matching. Right matching 2 numbers. Then next things are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 numbers. Totally 17 numbers. So road A, 2 lanes, 1 way. Road B, 4 lanes, 2 way. So total conflicts are only 17. So if you convert that road A to 1 way, the conflicts are reduced from 32 to 11. Sorry, 32 to 17. 32 to 17 means 15 conflicts reduced. 15 conflicts reduced, okay? అందరికి ఇంతే వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we will see both roads converting to 1 way. What happens we will see. Road A, road B, 2 lane, 4 lane, one way, one way. Both are one way roads. Okay. So one way like this. It is very simple. So these conflicts are 8 in number. Then left going like this. That is one. Anything else? Only one left going. Right going. One. So this is one. Right going. This is one. So totally how much? 10 only. Left merge, right merge. Okay. Crossing. So total 10 conflicts. 17 to 10 reduced. Okay. Reduced from 17 to 10. If both roads are one way. Okay. Next we will see road A, road B, both are 4 lane roads and both are 2 way. What are the conflicts we will see. Road A, road B, 4 lane, 4 lane, 2 way, 2 way. Okay. Like this. 2 lanes are east going, 2 lanes are west going, 2 lanes are south going, east north going, 2 lanes are south going. So now crossing conflicts are 16 numbers. Crossing conflicts are 16 numbers. Okay. That is, these are 16 numbers. Okay. Next, left going we will see. 1 left going and left merging there. 2, 3 and 4. So merging from left. These are 4 numbers. Okay. Then right going. Always from nearest lane to nearest lane you should join. Okay. Like this. Like this. Like this. And one more thing. Like this. So this merging from right are 4 numbers. Merging from right. These are 4 numbers. Remaining things will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Anything else? Here one thing is 20. Okay, 20 numbers are there. These are 20 numbers. Total 44. క్లియర్ అందరికి అర్థమైందా? మీకు కూడా వచ్చిందా 20 44 చెక్ మీరు ఇండిపెండెంట్ గా మీరు ట్రై చేయాలి.
వచ్చింది సార్.
ఆ నియరెస్ట్ లైన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు గుర్తుంటే చాలు అనమాట, ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. ఎక్కడికి కలపాలన్నప్పుడు మనకు మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నియరెస్ట్ లైన్ కలుపుకోవాలన్నమాట. తీసుకోవడం కూడా నియరెస్ట్ లైన్ ఉంటేనే తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే నువ్వు రైట్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే 2 లేన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు రైట్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే రైట్ మోస్ట్ లైన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. నువ్వు రైట్ మోస్ట్ లైన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేసి ఆ జాయిన్ అవ్వడం కూడా ఆ రైట్ మోస్ట్ లైన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలన్నమాట. అలా. సో నెక్స్ట్ 1 lane 1 way. Okay, I mean 1 road 1 way. Road A, road B, 4 lane 4 lane, 1 way 2 way. Okay, see road A 1 way, this is 2 way, like this. So crossing conflicts are 16 as usual. These are 16 numbers. Then left moving vehicles merging, here 1, here 1, only 2 numbers left merging. Okay, two numbers. Then right going, see leftmost, I mean rightmost lane to rightmost lane. Okay, 1 and right going here to here. Okay, right merging also 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers are there. Totally 25. Okay. So reduce it from 44 to 25. by making one road one way. Okay. Finally, road A, road B, both are one way. 4 lane, 4 lane. One way, one way. Okay. Okay, so crossing conflicts are 16 numbers. So these are 16 numbers. Then left moving only 1, and right moving 1. Total 18 numbers. So if both roads are one way, the total conflicts are only 18. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So diverging only, I mean merging only considered as a conflict, but diverging is not considered. Okay. That you should keep in mind. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. సిటీస్ లో చాలా చోట్ల వన్ వే ట్రాఫిక్ చూస్తుంటాం అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే అవి తగ్గించడం కోసం, కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్ తగ్గించడం కోసం. అప్పటికి తర్వాత ఇంకా సిగ్నల్స్ పెడుతుంటాం. కొన్ని మున్సిపాలిటీస్ లో స్మాల్ టౌన్స్ లో సిగ్నల్స్ ఉండవు, కానీ వన్ వే ట్రాఫిక్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే
సార్ 3 లేన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయా అట్లానే కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్? ఒకవేళ బి రోడ్ 3 లేన్ తీసుకుంటే
అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు.
ఓకే సార్.
3 లేన్స్, ఒక రోడ్ 2 లేన్, ఇంకో రోడ్ 3 లేన్. ఆ 3 లేన్స్ లో 2 లేన్స్ ఏమో సౌత్ గోయింగ్, ఇంకోటి ఏమో నార్త్ గోయింగ్. ఇలా అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ మీరు వర్కౌట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు అర్థమైతే సరిపోతుంది. ఎలా 3 లేన్స్ అనేది చేసుకోవచ్చు, టీ జంక్షన్స్ అనేది చేసుకోవచ్చు. టీ జంక్షన్స్ అంటే 4 క్రాస్ రోడ్స్ కాకుండా ఓన్లీ 3 రోడ్స్ అనమాట. అంటే ఇలాంటి రోడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు కూడా మీరు వర్కౌట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. ఇంకా అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ వర్కౌట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. ఇంకా అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా? 4 లెగ్స్ లేకుండా 3 లెగ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు వర్కౌట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట.
ఓకే సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ 9 o'clock క్లాస్ తీసుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను.